إذا كنت من المتابعين الجدد اشترك الآن في القناة ليصلك الجديد بالضغط على الزر الأحمر أسفل القناة مع تفعيل الجرس، ولا تنسوا دعم المقطع بلايك. شكرا لكم جزيل الشكر.
There. One fish. There is one fish. There. 3 books. There are 3 books.
There. One. There is one bed. There. 4 keys. There are 4 keys.
There. 1 cup. There is 1 cup.
There. 6 eggs. There are 6 eggs.
How many fish are there? There are 3 fish. How many keys are there? There are 4 keys. How many police officers are there? There are 2 police officers. How many apples are there? There is 1 apple.
You have blue flowers.
I have yellow flowers.
You have red flowers.
We have white flowers.
The girl is wearing. The girl is wearing a t-shirt. The boy is not wearing. The boy is not wearing a t-shirt. The woman is wearing. The woman is wearing shoes. The man is not wearing. The man is not wearing shoes.
The girl is not wearing trousers. She is wearing a skirt. The boy is wearing trousers. 3 women are wearing trousers. 1 woman is wearing a dress. The men are wearing hats.
How many plates do you have?
2 plates. I have 2 plates.
How many cups? Have. How many cups do you have? We have 4 cups. Who is wearing shoes? I am wearing. I am wearing shoes. Who is wearing a hat?
We are wearing. We are wearing hats. Who? Eating. Who is eating? The police officer is eating. Who? Reading. Who is reading? The pupils are reading.
Who? The newspaper. Who has the newspaper? The doctor has the newspaper. Who? The books. Who has the books? The girls have the books. What is this? A tree. This is a tree. How many keys are there? 4 keys. There are 4 keys.
Do you have fish?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Writing. We are writing.
إذا كنت من المتابعين الجدد اشترك الآن في القناة ليصلك الجديد بالضغط على الزر الأحمر أسفل القناة مع تفعيل الجرس، ولا تنسوا دعم المقطع بلايك. شكرا لكم جزيل الشكر.
Brother was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire.